Hey, what's up guys? How you guys doing today? In today's video, I'll be teaching you guys how to use MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5 on your smartphone. With that being said, let's dive right into the video. Don't forget to like, share, turn on notification bell for more content like this. Come here to MetaTrader 5. Although you know that MetaTrader 5 and MetaTrader 4 share similar outlook, right? So we'll be using MetaTrader 5. You can also use this same method on MetaTrader 4. It's the same thing, but this one is just the upgraded version. So if you come here to MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, you see your interface like this. So here where you see quote, come here where you see quote. Quote here is actually where you see all the currency pair you want to trade. There's a lot of currency pair here you want to trade. Choose any currency pair you want to trade, the one you like. Here chart is where you analyze your chart of the currency you choose. If you choose any currency on quote, the currency will actually show here, and you can analyze it and put your support, your take profit, everything. There is trade. Trade is where you see the trade you actually make. After you make a retrade, you actually see it right here. And here is history. History is where you see your history of order, your position, the current position, and all that. So let's go to here where you see quote. Then let's click on any currency pair. Let's click new order. So to this is interface of where you can actually place your order in the market, right? So right now here, if you come here where you see this up here, you can see market execution, which actually means we are going to the market instantly. If maybe you see a strategy or you already analyze the market and you're going to the market instantly, you'll be using market execution. Buy limit is if you want to buy at a limit, a certain limit you want to buy, and you see that I want to buy at this price, you'll be using buy limit. Or you want to sell at this price, you don't want to go into the market instantly, you'll be using sell limit and all that. So if you come here to this little place you see here, or this little number you see here, this is actually called lot size. So you can actually increase or decrease your lot size depending on how this 0. You can actually also use this one. This 0.1 is a really smaller size for a beginner. If you are a beginner, always use the smaller size so you don't waste all your money, right? You can actually increase your lot size here or decrease your lot size, or even so actually type it with your keyboard. So this is stop loss and this is take profit. Stop loss actually mean if you want to stop your loss, you have if you have already analyzed the market and you want to stop your loss. Take profit actually mean you want to take profit. You already analyze the market, you want to take profit. Let's assume we want to enter the market immediately and we will be stopping our loss and this price of 147.960, 147.960. Then we'll be taking our profit at 147 point. You can see the stop loss actually show right here. Stop loss. Yes, we'll be taking our profit at 147.991. 147.991. You can see the stop loss. This is stop loss. This is take profit. So what this means is that if we buy and market go against us, market fall back to this stop loss, the market fall back to this place, we'll cut our loss, we'll be out of the market. We don't have to lose a lot of money. Don't have to lose a lot of money. We already calculate how much you're going to lose. This take profit is that if we buy at the current price right here and market start going up, if market reach this price, it will actually take our profit. We'll take the profit we made. I hope you understand. It's really simple. So if you want to buy, you can actually buy here. If you want to sell, you can actually sell here. If you click here where you see buy right now, the market is closed. Today is Saturday. You're not selling anymore. If the market wasn't closed, once you click on buy, it will immediately activate your buy. That's it right here. So let's go back to, if you come here to trade right here, if you come here to this trade section, if you already make a trade, maybe this is not Saturday or you already make a trade, all you just have to do is to click on this place. If you want to cancel the trade or you want to make sure the trade is being cancelled, you don't want the trade anymore, you can click here. See this plus, little plus right here, this plus, this place here, you can click on it and cancel the trade. If you want to change the trade, the stop loss and take profit, you want to change the direction, you can click on this pencil here, and that's how it works. this trade chart. You can actually chart right here. Use your stick, your candlestick. Use your can actually use your this thing, your candlestick, right? But I always advise, if you want to analyze the chart, use a trading view. I already make a video of how you can use trading view if you want to analyze the chart. The video will be under the description. Use trading view to analyze the chart and everything. Yeah, so we come here to this four, which means this TV button here. Click on it. If you want to add another account, click here, you see manage. Click on manage. Here is the demo account. If you want to add a real account, click here to plus, then click here to find broker. Find the broker you want to add. Let's say you want to add SNES. Put the broker you want to add, so you can automatically be trading directly from that broker for your real account to this. Let's say if we are adding SNES, we click here SNES, we have every SNES account. We have to put our login password, server and server password, then we can log in direct to our real account. It's simple as that. So guys, what do you think? Is this explanation really well, or what do you think? This USDT to other currency, you are trading them against each other. You are predicting that this one will go up and this one will go down. So guys, what do you think? Don't forget to like, share, turn on notification bell for mobile educational video like this, and see you in the next video. Peace out.